Howdy y'all, welcome back to another Off Trail Outdoors video. In today's video, we're doing some crappie fishing. We caught a good amount. It was hard to catch them today. It was very windy, so our bobbers were hard to tell if they were going under. We were fishing with jigs, crappie monsters, baits, and bobbers. But yeah, we still had fun, caught some fish. I mean, like I said, I had a good time. It's all that matters, right guys? So, without nothing to say, let's get in the video.
Holy cow. Yeah, I never realized that. There's one. Little big guy. Well, yeah, about to say. I'm throwing it right over there. Watch this. Watch this. Let's steal your fish. I'm right there straight ahead of you. Yeah, just throw your fit. Oh shoot, I didn't know I had one. Gosh dang it, something bigger bite, please. Huh? No. No, I really don't want to. I bet you he's exactly 9. Dude, you could. Huh? Watch this. Right here. Oh my god, about time I caught a fish. Holy. Oh, let's go. I'm catching big fish now. Oh, God. Fish right there. Huh? You just stole my fish. Huh? Yeah, what's up with it? Mine's bigger, I bet. You wanna bet? He's in. He ain't coming up. Yep. Are you? Huh? Where's your fish at? Oh, not a good fish. Huh? Yeah, actually. Take it home?
No.
Dang it. Not what we're looking for.
All right, y'all. We just made it home. We got the fish cleaned up. There's blood on the table. I can't show you all that. But yeah, we had a good time. It was fun. I mean, it's all that matters. Caught some good fish. I mean, like I said, I had a great time. But if you haven't yet, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.